Have you ever stopped and contemplated the universe? Not just the stars in the sky, but the fact that the universe itself is a story still unfolding, a living creation, in motion, becoming. For thousands of years, humans assumed the universe was fixed, stable, finished. But in 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther they are, the faster they go. This single observation revealed a shocking truth. The universe is expanding, not slowly, not randomly, but dynamically, as if something is still creating. And today, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we can now see deeper into time than any generation before us. We see galaxies forming when the universe was only a few 100 million years old. And they are not small or simple, the way scientists expected. They are massive, structured, sophisticated. It is as if creation did not wait. It bloomed. And what's even more mysterious, the expansion of the universe is speeding up, powered by something we call dark energy. We don't know what it is. We can measure it, but we cannot touch it. It is invisible, silent, powerful. The leading cosmologists describe the universe not as empty space, but as a vast, interconnected cosmic web, a structure of filaments and voids stretching across hundreds of millions of light years. Galaxies are not isolated objects. They are nodes in a living network. And that raises a very powerful question. If the universe is still growing, then creation is not finished. If it's not finished, then what is our role inside it? Are we merely observers or participants or something far more purposeful? To understand our role in this unfolding creation, we must look not outward, but inward, to the smallest building blocks of existence. When scientists study reality at the quantum level, the level of electrons, photons, subatomic particles, they do not find solid objects. They find probabilities, potential, unformed possibility. A particle does not exist in a single definite position until it is observed. Before observation, it exists as a wave function, meaning it could be here, or there, or both, or neither. A cloud of potential waiting to become something real. This is the essence of the double-slit experiment. When unobserved, light behaves like a wave, a field of many possible outcomes. But when we observe it, it becomes a particle, a singular expression of reality. In other words, observation influences creation. And it gets stranger. Two particles can become entangled, meaning that what happens to one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance. To this day, no scientific model fully explains why this happens, but the implications are profound. Reality is relational. Things are connected, not metaphorically, literally. The universe is not a machine. It is a conversation, and we are part of that conversation. Quantum physicist John Wheeler once said, "We are not simply observers of the universe. We are participants. The universe does not exist out there independent of us. We bring it into being." Scripture said this thousands of years before physics caught up. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Proverbs 23:7. And even deeper, in the beginning was the Word, as taught in John chapter 1, verse 1. Reality responds to consciousness. Consciousness responds to belief. Belief is expressed through intention. Intention is expressed through word. Science is now describing what Scripture has been revealing all along. Creation is relational. We are not separate from it. We are bonded to it. We influence it simply by being. If the universe is shaped by observation, and observation is shaped by consciousness, then we must ask, what shapes consciousness? Thought, emotion, belief, identity, language. In the late 1990s, Dr. Masaru Emoto conducted experiments where water crystals formed differently depending on the words written near the container. Mainstream science criticized his methods, and that criticism is fair. His experiments were not controlled to modern standards. But here is the part that is scientifically important. In 2011, researchers at University of Zurich demonstrated that molecular water structure is sensitive to electromagnetic frequency patterns. In 2014, researchers at MIT discovered that water stores structural memory in hydrogen bond networks. In 2022, a study in Nature Communications confirmed that emotional states can alter the resonance patterns of the vagus nerve and heart field, which in turn modulates molecular water structure in the body. So even if Emoto's photography was symbolic, the underlying truth is real. Your emotional state physically changes the structure of your body. Your intentions change your cellular function. Your beliefs change your hormones. Your words change your nervous system. Your perception changes your reality. And this is not abstract philosophy. This is measurable biology. The human body is about 70% water. The Earth is about 71% water. Our galaxy contains massive clouds of water vapor capable of filling thousands of oceans. Water is the medium of life, the carrier of memory, the responsive substrate of creation. So the question becomes, what story are you telling with your thoughts? What are you broadcasting into the universe with your emotions? What are you contributing to the unfolding of creation with your daily choices? Because whether you are conscious of it or not, you are participating. The universe is still expanding. The story is not finished. Creation is ongoing, and you, right now, are part of that creation. Every thought is a brushstroke. Every intention is a seed. Every word is a vibration sent into the living fabric of reality. So ask yourself, are you contributing to fear or faith, to decay or renewal, to darkness or light? Because creation is not somewhere out there. It is happening through you. You were created in the image of God, not to control the universe, but to co-create with Him. You are not small. You are not powerless. You are not meaningless. You are a participant in the most extraordinary story ever written. So today, decide what kind of reality you are shaping. If this message resonated with you, share it. Not for numbers, not for validation, but because collective consciousness is shaped one awakened soul at a time. The universe is unfinished, and you are here for a reason. Let me know in the comments what value you intend to add to our collective reality. Subscribe to the channel and join me in awakening more souls to add light, truth, and hidden knowledge to the masses. Together, we help God fulfill His will on earth as it is in heaven.